Welcome to this video on planning electrical wiring for a future-ready home. We'll explore how to design an infrastructure that supports smart tech, high-speed data, and high power capacity. The modern vision of a perfect home moves beyond basic electrical needs. It must integrate smart tech, high-speed data, and high power capacity to support the next generation of devices and appliances. Key infrastructure fundamentals include using high-grade copper for maximum conductivity and thermal resistance. Also, install 47mm deep wall boxes. This extra depth is necessary for smart switches and dimmers containing internal computers and radios. For a future-proof data strategy, use CAT6 or CAT7 cable and run hardwired lines to every room. Terminate all lines in a central media closet for easy maintenance and upgrades. Support power over Ethernet to power security cameras and Wi-Fi access points through the data cable. Consider integrating a KNX or bus cable system alongside traditional wiring. This modular automation logic allows devices to communicate with a central controller, providing benefits like programmable scenes, mobile app integration, and energy efficiency. For high-power demand planning, always design for overcapacity, specifically 125% of the minimum current requirement. Modern appliances like induction hobs and HVAC units need dedicated high-amperage circuits. Incorporate EV charger capability by pre-wiring the garage for the electric vehicle revolution. Install a 32A 240 volts dedicated circuit during construction to enable level 2 charging, which can charge a standard vehicle fully overnight. Planning kitchen wiring zones means specifying the correct circuit type and wire gauge for each appliance. For example, an induction hob needs a 32A or 40A dedicated circuit with 6 square millimeters wire. In the entertainment zone, use a 50mm wide empty conduit behind the TV mounting point to hide all HDMI and power cables for a clean wall look. Also, provide at least 6 outlets behind the media center to accommodate TVs, soundbars, consoles, and routers. Advanced protection is essential. Install RCD or RCCB units to detect tiny electricity leaks and prevent fatal shocks, especially in wet areas. AFCI detects electrical arcing to prevent fires. A smart panel allows you to monitor energy consumption for every circuit via an app. The implementation steps cover design, on-site, installation, and testing phases. Start with CAD drawings and calculating the total load, move to marking wall locations, and finally, install copper and data lines and test for continuity and voltage verification.